Had a guy ask me about natural gas, and he's got a friend that's mentioned to him that natural gas is the thing to go for. There's ETFs and all that sort of thing that you can invest into. But, stock market tips can often be a bit of a tricky situation, and perhaps one shouldn't actually play into stock market tips as much as choosing your own trades. Now, there's so many things for you that you can trade during the day, every single day. There's a whole bunch of Forex products, there's a whole bunch of indexes, there's a whole bunch of commodities to trade into. But if you're investing and you want to invest in something like natural gas, let me recommend to you, let me give you an idea. I don't give recommendations. Let me give you an idea that says, why don't you look at perhaps an equity or a stock or something to that effect? Natural gas is a cyclical product. All commodities are cyclical products. They go up and they go down in cycles. They never go straight up and they never go straight down. So when it comes to trading into commodities, always remember they're cyclical. So when it's at its low, you might want to buy, and when it's high, you might want to sell. That's how commodities work as such. Anyway, just so that you know, trading is risky, and 80% of traders do lose money. Particularly the lower the time frame, the more you lose money, or the faster the trades, let's say. But investing, you can also lose money in investing if you're not careful and if you get it all upside down and you get it all wrong. Guys, don't forget to pick up the Forex book in the description, and also don't forget to visit the blog for your trade of the day every day. If you remember, you're going to get a proper trade of the day every day on video, and you'll get all the buys and sells that we're looking at for that particular day as well. So without further ado, let me go to the chart and let me show you my analysis for you on the technical side of natural gas and what I think your buy and sell should be on natural gas as it stands at the moment. So if I look at natural gas here, I can see that it is in its range. As I said to you, natural gas is a cyclical product. So you can never really invest in it and just invest in it forever like your buddy says to you. But what's clear to me is the 50-day moving average is above the 200-day moving average at the moment. So you've had a golden cross, which says it's probably a good buy, but it is coming down. So I'm a little bit worried about this curve coming back down to the 200-day moving average. So let's look at the way we normally trade. Let's go and let's take it up to the weekly chart, and then let's just make it a little bit more readable so we can draw some lines on the thing, and let's take it to a line chart. Let's see what we've got here. And what I can see, let's make it a little bit bigger so we can see what we've got. What I can see is we've got a big support lying down here. Quite a nice, decent support. So it's actually kind of hitting its support on the weekly chart. That's not a bad thing. Not a bad thing at all. And then our resistance is actually quite far away. If I look at our resistance, it's quite high up there. So the next stop is all the way up at 9.19, and we're down here at 2.5. So that's pretty good on a weekly chart. But be careful, there is some resistance a little bit lower down. So watch out for that scenario as well. And you would like to see the price go above 200-day moving average. And on the weekly chart, you're on a death cross. In other words, it's bearish. But on the daily chart, it's still bullish. I would say it's probably going to go bullish from here because they are cyclical and it is at the bottom. So I would say you could go for a buy on this particular product, the natural gas. Let's just quickly have a look at on the candles and let's see what we've actually got. Now, if I look at the day chart, which is what you're going to trade on if you're investing, she's very, very close to the support. What I would do is I would wait for a green bar like this coming out of the support. If it bounces off here, a nice big green bar, I'd purchase it and I'd hold it, and I'd hold it until it gets up to about this 3.2. I won't wait for it to go all the way up to the main resistance. I'd use this because what I can see here is a supply. There's a bit of a supply of money lying in this area, so orders and that sort of thing. So I would actually trade it from this area up into that resistance there. So for that chap who was interested in investing in natural gas, that's your trade for this week. I would probably look at a buy. So yeah, natural gas, that's your trade. If you want to trade into something like that, just remember commodities are a cyclical product. Always a cyclical product. They go up and they go down. So hope that helps you this week. Hope that's an interesting video for you. And if you've got any other requests, let me know. Especially the members, you've got priority. Just let me know and I'll research everything for you. That's it till the next video, guys. Don't forget, I think tomorrow there's another video for you coming up. The main one on the main channel. Don't forget to watch out for it. Cheers and bye.